How far can you drive on duct tape tires? We're gonna find out today. All right, we just pulled into Walmart. We're gonna run in there, grab some duct tape.
Duct tape.
We're gonna need about 100 rolls.
500
rolls. See if they have it in stock.
Let's go.
Is that all they have? All right, we found the duct tape. I don't know if they're gonna have enough, but got quite a bit here. They have the 3 packs. Snag some of those. We gotta head to another Walmart. We were only able to get like 20 some rolls, and we need like 50 or 100.
50 plus.
So we're gonna run over to another Walmart here.
Let's go.
Okay, let's get the heck out of here. You got that one? Got it, got it. Okay.
Doggy.
You think it's gonna be enough? 50 rolls?
50
We got
rolls?
60 actually.
I don't know, ask it.
I got about 60 fat rolls right there. All right, let's get out of here.
Some fries, some salty fries. I love salty fries.
Salty fries for me.
Where'd my door go?
All right, we're done shopping. We got back to the shop. We're gonna begin this project now. Here is all of our duct tape. All right, we're gonna get the car up in the air right now, jack it up, put some jack stands on, take these tires off, and toss her and drive. What? What's this made out of?
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Are we saving the tires? I'm putting my face shield because I just see this.
Yeah.
Today we're going to show you the proper way to let the air out of a tire. Uh-oh! Need a new tool!
Need a new tool.
Woo!
Dude, you have some slash in your tires, man.
Shoot, dude. Are you kidding me? All right, the tires are fully dismounted from the wheels. We're gonna slap these babies back on, and we're gonna get taping.
I will bet you cannot ram that bar through that fender well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You don't think I can?
Nope.
Seriously?
Seriously.
As hard as I can?
Ain't going through there.
It's happening.
Where you getting?
Yeah, buddy! Yeah, buddy!
Well, in that case, put it again and put it lower.
Perfect.
Come on, work with me, Karen.
It might take more than the tape we have.
Well, we need...
Real quick.
There you go. Wow.
That's impressive.
You have 4 left you can put on here.
Yeah, good.
That is solid.
Jeez.
She's a little long way to go.
Oh, she'll run good. Cambered wheels. Wow! Well, slappy there.
Turbo!
Yeah.
Destroying my fender! Oh, how much is the body shop gonna cost to fix that?
It'll buff.
Oh, it'll buff. Right out. Should about right out. All right, we just finished up wrapping up these wheels. This one needs a little bit more. We're gonna add a little bit more in a minute. We got a serious about 3 to 4 inches worth of duct tape. Listen to the thud. It's solid thick. Tomorrow, we're gonna go out and see how far we can drive on the duct tape tires. I'm saying we're gonna go about 10 miles.
No.
Do I have windshield wipers? Where's the fluid at?
Woo!
Grab it.
Ew, dude, these are freaking moldy, bro.
Put it over your shoulder and we'll call it a day.
Ready to go, Grandpa! Rob, look how loose this is. Look at mine. It's like catch my shoe. Look at mine. Summer 2019!
All right, it's the next day. We're at McDonald's right now. We're gonna grab some chicken McMuffins and we're gonna get up to the mountains with our duct tape tires and see how far we can actually drive on them. I'm saying like 10, 15 miles.
I would say 5, yeah.
5 miles. 5 solid miles without any of the duct tape coming off.
Duct tape does roll off. We're still gonna be driving on the rims.
Straight on the rims, sparks and everything.
Sparks flying.
Door fell off.
Are you kidding me? Awesome! Thank you so much. Can you put it? Oh, give it to him, maybe. Sure. Thank you.
Right on.
Awesome. Thank you. Good deal.
Have a good one.
You too. See ya.
That looks like fun.
Oh yeah, we're having a good time.
We're jeeping.
All right, we made it up to the mountain. We're gonna switch out the tires. We're gonna take these puppies off. We're gonna jack it up, undo those, and we're gonna throw the duct tape tires on, and hopefully make it down a whole mile down the road. We'll see what's going on. How long that lasts.
Yes, indeed. All right, guys. So we try to go ahead and do it on this crappy side of the road. But we're gonna go
Way too muddy. We need to go find somewhere that has concrete or
a little
asphalt.
more concrete.
All right, we're gonna drop the jack down. Hopefully these things can hold. How's it look? I think it's gonna work. So what's going on here is the tire is kind of lopsided and it's creating some sort of a rut in the dirt, and it's going back and forth like a little snake path. We've gone 2 miles, 2 full miles on these tires, but it was on the mud and the dirt, and it's not as abrasive as asphalt. So we're gonna go to the asphalt now and see if we can completely blow this rubber right off. All right, so we're on the pavement now. We're gonna see how many more miles we can go. We've hit about 2.5 miles on the duct tape tires so far. On the pavement, it's probably gonna be a lot less, but we're gonna see. We're gonna send it that direction.
So that came off from the gravel road here.
Yeah, came off a little bit.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, so we threw the stock tires back on so we can get up to a different location where we can go drive on the rims a little bit, get the rest of the duct tape off. Let's go. right, guys, the duct tape tires are finally dead. We high centered. We basically crashed. We went 100 miles an hour with the duct tape tires on it. We went 6 miles.
That is driving in the snow and revving at 100 miles an hour.
And in the snow, in the mud, and the asphalt. 6 miles. Tickle the like button and subscribe. First time.
Pretty good.
First time.
I almost say click the like button and click subscribe button.
Click the like button and squeeze the subscribe button. So we are currently running on absolute fumes. The engine keeps burbling.
I say we'll make it back to town easy. There's no
We
stopping.
got another 15.
No stopping.
Listen,
It's got some in there. It's got some in there.
got
Keep
some
going.